3033 54th St. Petersburg. Brand new home, built in October 2024. Quality built, mind you. I'll show you the details. It's elevated, all brand new. All this noise you hear in the background, once we get in the home, you will see the difference. You barely hear any of this noise. All this parking allows you plenty of parking to make a U-turn, aside from the expansive 2-car garage. Pause on that. See, I park right there, and you can make a U-turn, and then you still have enough space for a 2-car garage. Very quiet in here. You barely hear anything, any of that traffic out there. You have to stand up to the door to hear it, or even all the way up to the window. But you see, this here's the first guest bedroom on the first floor. And most bedrooms have these beautiful pull-out doors. Everything is brand new. Talking about insulation, windows, roof, everything. Double pane windows, low E. See, you can see low E. This is the first guest bathroom. They're all tiled, and they all match, all bathrooms. Fully tiled shower and bathtub. Second guest bedroom. See how they all have these gorgeous doors and ample closet space. It's so quiet in here. So this is the first thermostat. There are 2 AC units. Interior laundry room. A new cable box. Washer dryer hookups. Tile floor. All right. Moving on to the 2-car garage, there's a little step here, and you've got finished floors. This garage is elevated, so as you can see, it's kind of like on a slope. It slopes down. That way the water will flow away from your garage, not into your home. It was very well built. You guys need to come out and just check it out. Separate irrigation meter. Obviously, excuse me, brand new electric box, panel, etc. Panel, electric box, whatever they call it, but everything's new. Okay, new water heater. They're all electric. Okay. It's a very, very well built home. I mean, the sellers went all out on this home. They knocked down what they had on this land that was like from way before the 50s, and they built this beautiful home for you. So this is the family room, dining room. You've got a kitchen nook area, breakfast, a huge counter, all new appliances. Oh, let me turn on some lights here. What's going on? There we go. And yes, I understand some people don't like the carpet, but it's not a deal breaker. It really is a nice carpet. Yep, you've got a garbage disposal. Look at that. Everything's new, brand new. Brand new cabinets. Look at the color. Brand new. I mean, the paperwork's still in it. Okay? This is, you know, I started when I first started real estate, I started in new construction. And when I see a good product, I would say this is one of them. They went all out. Look at that lanai. Ooh. See, if you want more privacy, all you have to do is fence the west side of the property. It's already fenced. There's a chain link fence, and then that's all fenced in. Everything's fenced in the front as well. So, and you know, these neighbors have been here for a long time. That's also a brand new home. I saw it going up, and a very revitalized neighborhood. And it's about a minute from I-75, north and southbound. And I'm gonna say it is just a few minutes from downtown St. Pete. There are restaurants just down the road, about a block or two away. So we're going into the master quarters. Oh, so here's attic access, and you see all the vents. You could put a fan, so you've got all the electricals already in there. Your living room is hooked up with all these little gadgets. Right there in the middle of the wall. Hook up your TV and all those things. All right. It's a great home. Okay. But you know, if you want to see it in person, or if you want more information, just give me a phone call, 727-371-6774. No, I don't need a phone. But you could call me for details or text me. Go to my website, BARAD as in David, ITRE.com. It's my last name, RE.com, essentially. And check out this bathroom. It's fabulous. It's your walk-in closet. Even the closets have vents. Okay. And you've got a private water closet, which is so essential. It's like, honey, I love you, but... And that very nice, fully tiled walk-in shower, pretty large too, in a nice little private area for your private business. Tray ceiling in the master. So it's a fabulous floor plan for those desiring their master bedroom on the first level, but with privacy. You see, if you're out here hanging out over here, you can't really see because you have this little walkway right into. You close your door and there's full all that privacy. We're not done. Let's go upstairs. So this is I mean, look what they've done. Look at these windows. I just love it. And what they've done up here is pretty fabulous. You have a nice landing. Let's appreciate that new roof. There are window screens in every window. Well, you know, these big windows. But look at this loft. A loft. Look at that fabulous, look at all those beautiful windows. So this is the loft area, and not just loft, it includes a private bathroom and a bedroom. This is the second thermostat and the second AC, or one of two. Brand new HVACs with the second one right here. Okay, easy access, both indoors to maximize energy. The use of energy. Hope I'm not blocking the mic here. There you go. This is the second bathroom, very private, very nice. No big deal. Attic access. And check out this bedroom, guys. I mean, look at the size of this bedroom. Okay, now I'm not zooming out. This is just regular. Feels really nice up here. I have the AC set at 85, both of them, because it's vacant. So we don't want it running all day. And it feels very nice. It's about 90 degrees outside right now. Middle of the summer, Florida. Today is July 13, 2025. See? Very elegant with these doors. It's just very nice. And you have that view from the second floor. Second level. I mean, you could probably see fireworks from here. See, everyone has a return and an AC vent. But this room here, this could be your playroom, this could be your study, could be your office, could be so many things. It's such a great room. Just they've done such a wonderful job. One of my favorite features are these windows, aside from everything else. I mean, this window is packed with energy efficient features and everything brand new. Bring us your best offer. Let's negotiate. Ta-ta.